Hello, students. I welcome you once again in the second part of the NEET biology question answer session. So, before I start, once again, I remind you and request you that please, all of you subscribe this channel so that I can upload a new video or the new question answer to all of you. And thank you very much. So, let's start the question answer session. Here, number one, which of the following characteristics represent inheritance of the blood group in humans? So, question number one here. Number one, dominance. Second, codominance. Third, multiple alleles. Fourth, incomplete dominance. And fourth, polygenic inheritance. So, answer we selected here, number B, that is our dominance, the codominance and multiple alleles. They represent the inheritance of the blood group in humans. Okay, second question now. Which one of the following terms describe human dentition? So, they have given pleurodon, and pleurodon, then monophyodon, homodon, then thecodon, diphyodon, heterodon, number C, thecodon, then diphyodon, homodon, number D, pleurodon, diphyodon, then heterodon. So here we take the answer thecodon, take the answer number B, thecodon, C, diphyodon, and heterodon. Thecodon, each tooth is embedded in a socket of the jawbone, and the diphyodon, we have two sets of teeth in the human lifetime, deciduous teeth in the childhood, which will be replaced by the permanent teeth in the adult stage, and heterodon, here the teeth are differentiated into different forms like canine, incisor, premolar, and molar. Next question is here. Many ribosomes may associate with single mRNA to form the multiple copies of the polypeptide. Multiple copies of the polypeptide simultaneously. Such string of ribosomes are termed as the plastidome, then the polyhedral bodies, polysome and nucleosome. So answer will be number C, polysome. Several ribosomes may attach to a single mRNA and form a chain called as the polyribosome or the polysome. The ribosome of a polysome translate the mRNA into the proteins. Okay, then we will go to the next set of questions here. That is, here we see next set of questions here. Okay, which one of the following events does not occur into rough endoplasmic reticulum? So number A, cleavage of the single peptide. B, protein glycosylation. C, protein folding, and then D, phospholipid synthesis. So answer we select here is phospholipid synthesis. Phospholipid synthesis takes place inside the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, not in the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now, next one, select the incorrect mass. Submetacentric chromosome, L-shaped chromosome, the shape they have given. Okay, then allosome is sex chromosome, Lamblus chromosome, diplotin chromosome, and the polytin chromosome, oocytes of amphibian. So, answer we select number D here. It's polytin chromosome, oocyte of amphibian. Actually, the polytin chromosome are the largest chromosome. They are found in the salivary glands of insects like Drosophila, etc. These are the giant or the largest chromosome and can be seen by a compound microscope easily. Then we go to the next question here. Initial bodies are mainly composed of the nucleic acid and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. DNA and RNA, and then the protein and lipids, free ribosome, and RER means the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Answer will be free ribosome, and RER, that means the rough endoplasmic reticulum. When we look at the cell body of a neuron, we find in the cytoplasm there are granules called as the initial granules are found. It is composed of the free ribosomes and the rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER. Okay, next question we'll write here. Okay. Sorry. Okay, which one of the following statement is correct? Okay, number A, glycolysis operates as long as it is supplied with NAD that can pick up hydrogen atom. Second option is glycolysis occurs in the cystosol. Third option, enzymes of the TCA cycle are present in mitochondrial matrix. Number D, oxidative phosphorylation takes place in outer mitochondrial membrane. Okay, Now here, oxidation phosphorylation takes place in outer mitochondrial membrane. That is the incorrect option, because this phenomenon occurs in inner mitochondrial membrane. In this process, ATP is formed by ETC, electron transport chain protein, and ATP synthetase enzyme. Next question is here. Calcium is important in skeletal muscle contraction because it number 8 detaches the myosin head from the actin filament. Number B, activate the myosin ATPase by binding to it. And C, binds to the troponin to remove the masking of active sites on actin for myosin. And then D, prevent the formation of bonds between the myosin cross bridges and the actin filament. So answer C we take here, because the calcium binds to troponin to remove the masking of the active sites on actin or myosin. Next question. Which one of the following is an occupational respiratory disorder? Now here number A, botulism, B, silicosis, and C, anthrosis, and D, emphysema. Answer will be silicosis. It is the accumulation of the silica dust in the lungs. Okay, now we go to next question here. Which one of the following events does not occur in the rough endoplasmic reticulum? So they have given number A, cleavage of the single peptide. Number B, they have given protein glycosylation, protein folding, and phospholipid synthesis. This will be already done. So next question is here. Which of the following gastric cell indirectly help in erythropoiesis? Number A, goblet cell. Number B, mitochondrial cell. Number B, mucous cell. Number C, chief cell, and number D, parietal cells. Number D will be parietal cell. That is the correct option. Okay, then we go to next question. Now match the term given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option given below. Column 1, column 1, 2. Column 1, fibrinogen, osmotic balance, globulin, blood clotting, albumin, defense mechanism. So here we go to answer number D. There is fibrinogen. It will help in blood clotting. Globulin help in defense mechanism. Albumin, it will help in osmotic balance, maintaining osmotic balance. Okay, next set of question is here. Okay, match the item given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option given below. Column 1 are the functions, and column 2 parts of excretory system. Number 1, ultrafiltration, Henle's loop, concentration of urine, ureter, transport of urine, urinary bladder, storage of urine. They have given Malpighian capsule and Malpighian corpuscles and proximal convoluted tubule. So the options of the answer they have given here is out of these options, you can see the options here. Out of these options, we select the option number B. That is, ultrafiltration will be Malpighian capsule, Malpighian corpuscle, there is glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. The concentration of urine in the Henle's loop, transport of urine by ureter, and storage of urine takes place in urinary bladder. Okay, next will be match the item given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option given below. Column 1 and column 2. Now, column 1, glycosuria. Column 2, accumulation of the uric acid in joints. Number 2, gout, mass of crystallized salt within the kidney. Third one, renal calculi, inflammation of the glomeruli. Number 4, glomerular nephritis, presence of glucose in urine. See the options here. So we select here correct option will be, so we select here the correct option, we take here number D. Glycosuria will be presence of glucose in urine. Gout, accumulation of uric acid in joints. Renal calculi, mass of crystallized salts within the kidney. And the glomerular nephritis, inflammation of the glomeruli. Okay, next question is here, match the item given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option given below. Column 1, column 2. Column 1, proliferation phase, breakdown of the endometrial lining. Number B, secretory phase will be the follicular phase. C, menstruation, luteal phase. So here we take menstruation will be luteal phase. So we take the option here, all the options you can see here. So we select here option number A, that is the proliferation phase, follicular phase. Okay, secretory phase is known as luteal phase. Menstruation will be breakdown of endometrial lining. Okay, next question is here. Identify in the vertebrate group of animals characterized by crop and gizzard in the digestive system, whether these two are found in apes, reptilia, amphibia, or osteichthyes. So answer A, apes. Apes, in the digestive system of apes, the crop stores and softens the food particle. Gizzard help in crushing and the churning of food particles. Okay, next question is here. Which one of the following feature is used to identify a male cockroach from a female cockroach? So options receive forewings with the darkened tegmina, presence of the caudal style, presence of the boards of the sternum on the ninth abdominal segment, and presence of the anal surface. Answer will be presence of the caudal style. Okay, next question is here. See which one of these animals is not a homeotherm. Number A, Camillus, B, Chilons, C, Macropus, and Pistocula. So here the correct answer will be number B, Chilon. Homeotherm, homeotherm animal maintain its body temperature at a constant level. Chilon is a homeotherm and it is a green sea turtle belonging to class reptiles, and these are the cold-blooded animals. Now next question, which one of the following animal does not undergo metamorphosis more than the tunicate, starfish, and earthworm? So we take number D, earthworm does not undergo metamorphosis. Okay, then we go to next question here. Which one of the following organism are known as the chief producer in the ocean? Chief producer means they can synthesize the glucose by photosynthesis. So options are cyanobacteria, diatom, dinoflagellates, and iglinoids. Answer will be diatom. These are the phytoplanktons and these are chief producers of the marine ecosystem. Next question, which one the following population interaction is widely used in medical science for the production of the antibiotics? And the options are the parasitism, mutualism, commensalism, amensalism. So answer will be number D, amensalism. It is a relation between organisms of different species in which one organism is inherited or destroyed, inhibited or destroyed, while the other organism remain unaffected. For antibiotic, it is called as the antibiosis, where one organism is unaffected while other is killed. Next question now. All the followings are included in ex situ conservations except the botanical gardens, sacred grove, wildlife sanctuary, wildlife safari parks, and the seed bank. So here we take the sacred grove. This is an example of in situ conservation. It is an example of in situ conservation where the forests are considered as sacred and conserved by people in their religious philosophy. Then we go to next question. Which part of the poppy plant is used to obtain the drug smecks? Roots, latex, flower, and leaves. Now latex, it is used to prepare smack, white, crystalline, bitter, and odorless compound acting as a depressant. So we take the latex of the poppy plant is used to obtain the drug smack. Okay, then next one, sweet potato is a modified taproot, adventitious root, stem, and rhizome. Adventitious root, sweet potato is a modified adventitious root because you store the food material, especially the carbohydrates. Okay, now the carbohydrates. So uh, once again, I I I complete this part, and I request all of you to please subscribe the channel so that I can upload the another video to you. Thank you very much for listening to this channel.